going to Dandridge Elementary School. There's supposed to be a trail and a section of woods that they have, timber, woods, forest. And there's an 18-hole disc golf course. And here's see what the woods trail looks like. The trail's there. So let's go around over to there. Massive amount of people playing golf today. Okay, we're at the Eldridge Bryant Nature Trail. You access it from the parking lot of Dandridge Elementary, not Monday through Friday during school. Saturday, Sunday, summers, and holidays are the days. So let's have a look at this trail. I happen to stop here to pre-trip on the disc golf course here, and this is how I found out about the trail. Okay, here we go. And no, I don't have my trail kit with me. Let's go back over here. There we go. Cleared out some trail. This may be something I may include in my hikes future. It's not a big one. Just a little timber area on the west-east side of the school. There is no blazing so far. I'm just walking through the wide section. Figuring it kind of looks like a trail. Well, it looks like they got a little something over here. Yep. Maybe they have an outdoor classroom or something here. Looks like they've turned some of these upside down. I think they're all supposed to be like this. 3 nice rocks. Have an outdoor classroom or something. I don't know. Kind of nice. Trail's kind of lined with sticks and stuff a little bit. Down tree limbs and such. I'll kick that branch out of the way. We're going to make this into a down and out, down and back. We are going to do the disc golf course here too. Yeah, we're coming close to the end of it now. Not a big trail, but it's a nice trail. Okay. I'm guessing some of this. I can see the signage at the other end. Yep, here we go. I don't think this is a highly used trail, but hey, it's nice. And we come out here, the 16th hole, 7th and 16th hole of the golf course. That's 92, entrance into the elementary school. Trail 0. Very nice indeed. Go back and then we'll reposition for the disc golf course. Kicking some limbs out of the way. See, they do have some limbs laying down. Kind of help guide you, gentle guide. What is it, 15-minute hike? I can't move this tree. It's too big. I couldn't find any information on this trail, Googling, other than they received a $500 grant, something like that, from some entity. It was in one of the local papers. And that was about 5, 6 years ago, maybe 10 years ago. Okay. Finding my way by the disturbed leaves. I'm off trail now. I can tell you that. No, I'm not. this is not well used. You can see the general path. There's enough trees down like here. There's one over here. There's one over here in a straight line. So the path is, you can locate it. See, one over here, one over there. But it's not a high use trail from the looks of it. So I'd say I'm probably the first one that's been down through here, maybe in a week to a month. By the looks of the leaves, there's nothing stepped on, tromped down, to speak of. Trails don't have to be long or have a lot of elevation to be good. That's just a nice nature trail. Walk out through nature.